Hi, Delay, everyone. So today here I'm teaching number 2240. Okay, how to pronounce it. So please, if you are watching new, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Okay, so I'm teaching a continue. Okay, so first one, 21. So 21 is a nishu tajik. So when 20, 21, 22, 23, you should remember za. Okay, so 21 is nishu tajik. And 22, nishu za ni. And 23, nishu ta sum. Nishu ta sum. Okay. And 24, nishu ta shi. Nishu ta shi. Okay. 25, nishu ta nga. Nishu ta nga. Okay. And then 26, nishu ta tu. Nishu ta tu. Okay. 27, nishu ta dun. Nishu ta dun. Okay, 28, nishu ta ge. Nishu ta ge. And 29, nishu ta gu. Nishu ta gu. And 30, sumju. Sumju. Okay. And then 31. So on the 30, and then you should remember so. Okay. So sumju sojik. Sumju sojik. And then 32, sumju sonyi. Sumju sonyi. Okay. 33, sumju so sum. Sumju so sum. 34, sumju so shi. Sumju so shi. Okay. 35, sumju so nga. Sumju so nga. Okay. 36, sumju so tu. Sumju so tu. Okay. 37, sumju so dun. Sumju so dun. 38, sumju so ge. Sumju so ge. Okay, 39, sumju so gu. Sumju so gu. Okay, 40, shiju. Shiju. We have to read shiju, but in colloquial, in the speaking, many people pronounce like shiju. Looks like there is a suffix. So in the colloquial, people pronounce like shiju. But spelling is this one, okay? Shiju. Okay, thank you. And then see you in next video.